Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll tell you how to fix iPhone screen recording is not working. Sometimes iPhone users might need to record their screen for sharing the demonstration purpose or to record some live stream from YouTube or other apps to save the content. But many iPhone users are complaining about the screen recording problem they are facing on their iPhones recently. The users are not sure why all of a sudden they are not able to use screen recording on their iPhone. Some users were able to record their screen, but after which they are not able to save the recordings to their phones. So the first thing you should go for is restart the iPhone due to some minor technical glitches. Such issues arises in any smart devices these days, and this might also be a reason behind this issue. For this you just need to go to settings, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on general, scroll down to the bottom and then tap on shutdown, slide to power off, and after some time hold the side button to turn it on again and you are done. And the next step is check the iPhone storage. Many iPhone users not only face the screen recording problem but also found that after recording their screen, they were unable to save it and get discarded. This usually happens when the storage on the iPhone is full and there is no space left for the recordings to be stored. In order to check what is occupying the space on your iPhone, you need to go to the settings, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on general and then tap on iPhone storage. Now try and clear any files, videos, apps or anything else to make sure there is enough space to store the recordings and you are done. And the next step is reset all settings. If none of the things are worked for you, you can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. Don't worry, reset all settings will never delete any of your data from the iPhone. For this, go to settings, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on general. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap on transfer reset iPhone, and here you will see the option of reset, tap on it. In the pop-up box, you will see the option of reset all settings, tap on it. It requires your passcode, so enter your passcode. After verifying your passcode successfully, tap on the reset all settings option once again for confirming. It will start resetting all the settings on your iPhone and you are done. And the next step is disable the low power mode. Apple had designed a low power mode option for their iPhone or iPads. When enabled, saves the iPhone battery consumption by disabling several features like screen brightness, downloads, background app fetch services, screen recording, etc. Disable the low power mode option. This can only happen when the battery goes below 20%. In that case, please charge your iPhone immediately. For this, go to settings, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on battery. Here you will see the low power mode is turned on. Tap on it to turn it off and you are done. And the next step is change the content and privacy restriction. There are certain features on the iPhone that can be restricted by the users so that nobody else can use them on the iPhone. This can be done via content and privacy restrictions. So the users needs to allow the screen recording to work from not getting restricted. For this, go to settings app, tap on it, scroll down and then tap on screen time and then tap on content and privacy restriction. Here you will see the option of content restrictions, tap on it. Scroll down under the game center, you will see the option of screen recording, tap on it. Now you will get two options there, click on the allow option. This will allow the users to use the screen recording feature without restricting it and you are done. I hope these solutions will fix your issue of iPhone screen recording not working, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.